in this example, we've got another change that happens, and this is going to happen all the time, right? So you get weather events and other natural disasters that affect prices of various goods. We want to see how this all fits in together. So here, there's a freeze in Florida. It damages part of the orange crop and causes the price of oranges to increase. How does this affect the market for orange juice? All right, so I'm going to go to the grocery store and buy some orange juice. What's going to happen as a result? So, whoops, got there we go. All right, so the price of oranges goes up. How does that affect the market for orange juice? Well, we need to recognize that oranges are the key input to orange juice. So this is an input in production of orange juice. So when the price of an input goes up, the marginal cost of making orange juice has gone up. Right? Each orange that I use to make my orange juice is now more expensive. I need a higher price to sell the same quantity of oranges. So the supply of orange juice is going to decrease. So if we draw our supply and demand diagram here, so we'll say our equilibrium price was $3 when we started, and we sold 120 million gallons of orange juice. Price of oranges goes up. That shifts the supply curve to the left. It's a decrease in supply. So that's a decrease. That is going to cause the equilibrium price of orange juice to increase and the quantity to decrease. So I'm just making up the numbers there that go along with it, but we see an increase in the price and a decrease in the quantity. So the price should go up, the quantity will go down. So as a consumer, this helps me immediately, right? So if I see a forecasted cold streak coming for Florida, well, if I plan on buying orange juice, now is the time to buy it, right? I know the price is going to increase in the future if the cold streak wipes out part of the orange crop. Okay, so, or if I work in an industry, if I work in food industry or some other industry that buys and sells orange juice, having this knowledge is a huge asset to be able to think through how events should impact the price of something. And then I can begin about forecasting how these things might play out into the future. And here were a few examples of cars and orange juice where we saw that in action. Okay, so what we'll cover next in the next video is a really interesting idea referred to as the paradox of value.